What is Dall-E 2 and artificial intelligence visual design? Hi, my name is Bill Carmody, and today I'm going to show you how powerful visual artificial intelligence can be, and it's at your fingertips. Literally free right now today, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. It is so powerful, and it's going to change the way we think about visual design. So let me share my screen, and I'll go into some examples. I'll start with my own history. So when I first started working on this technology, what I did is I asked ChatGPT, changing the coaching industry in 2023. And I didn't like what I got. These results, not very usable. So I said, okay, I'll be more specific. Smiling artificial intelligence robot typing on an Apple MacBook Air with $200 bills flying out of the computer. Okay, if that's totally terrifying. And if I look at all these different versions, if I was doing a horror movie, then that would be perfectly fine. But since I'm not doing a horror movie, I wanted to do something a little more refined. So I started changing oil painting by Matisse of a robot making money on the internet. Now we're getting somewhere. That suddenly looked much more interesting and usable. And there's a couple variations. So if you look at, it's all the same text. Then I changed the artist and I said, oil painting of Salvador Dall-E of a robot making money with a laptop. Now it started getting super interesting. I started seeing all the different collections that I wanted, and boom, there it was. That's the one. I saw oil painting by Salvador Dall-E of a robot making money with a laptop. Suddenly I had exactly what I was looking for. It was fantastic. And so I saved it, I put it up on my LinkedIn article and showed people just how crazy this was. Now, if I go right to the top and I go to the actual search engine, this is all we're doing. We're typing those very words into this search bar here. So essentially, armchair in the shape of an avocado, if I type an armchair in the shape of an avocado, this is the result you get back. If I type instead a 3D rendering of a cute tropical fish with an aquarium on a dark blue background in digital art, I'll get that. If I say an expressive oil painting of a basketball player dunking, depicted as an explosion of a nebula, boom. So you can see what's really crazy about this is that you're only limited to your own imagination. If you continue to think about all the different ways of like how you want to express yourself visually, for the first time in history, you have artificial intelligence building what it thinks you want. And if you don't like what you see, you just do a different search. It's as easy as using Google search. But now you're actually creating original artwork that's coming from artificial intelligence. Isn't that mind-blowing? Isn't that cool? Like, you no longer have to use clip art. You don't have to use stock photography. Like, don't get me wrong, there's places for all that. But if you want something original and unique to the work that you're doing, this is how you do it. So enjoy, have fun, play. It is one of the greatest advances that I've seen in technology in a very long time.